Hello guys, I'm Ali from DigiDev. And the first, please subscribe our channel to see more videos and give us energy. This tutorial is about table in HTML5. We have a standard structure for tables in HTML5. It's like this: table tag. After that we have t-head, meaning table header. And after that we have t-body, table body. The last one is t-foot, table footer. Okay guys, we have tr tag, or it means table row, and in header we should use t-head, first name, and the last one is last name, guys. Again we use tr in t-body. Okay, td, table data. My first name is dg, my last name is dev. Duplicate this and write Ali, Avi. And again we use a tr here. This is me. Now I wanna run my file. Did you see? First name, last name, they are table header, DigiDev, Ali, Avi, and this is me. This is a standard structure of a table in HTML5, but we can write table like this. Okay guys, table, tr, and use th, it means table header. Again, first name and last name. Again I write a tr and td, Ali, Avi. Again duplicate this 2 times, dg dev, Ali, Hakshinas. And again see the result. Did you see guys? They are no different in the view, but in a structure they have some differences, but it's better to use HTML5 structure that I told you: t-head, t-body, and t-footer. Okay guys, this is table. Tables are so easy. They are not too useful, but they are useful. In the past, programmers use table to partition their websites with tables and make their website structure with tables. And in the next step, I wanna show you some attribute of tables. They are useful and they are good. Now let's go to show you. The first attribute is CoolSpan. Okay guys, what is column? Do you know the column? For example, think we have a table. I write like, not a standard way, but it's true. For example, think we have first name, or no, we have name, and we have an age. This is our result. Did you see? Now I wanna give them a border. Style border. Guys, this part is not about our tutorial, but you will be learning it in the future in our tutorials course. Okay, this is good, and again I use it here. Oh, I think it's better to use this way. Okay guys, it's our table. I styled it, but this is not about our tutorial. For example, think you want to the name column occupy 2 columns. Well, this is 1 column, 2 column, but you want this to occupy two columns. How we can do this? We can do this like this. Cool span is equals to. Did you see? This is get two column. For example, now I wanna make this Ali, Avi, and 29. The name is Ali, Avi, age is 29. This is too easy, guys. This is a good attribute for tables. You can use it. Okay, guys, I checked and understand the coolest one is just can use in th and not work in this one. It mean I think it's working this one, but it's not useful for TD. Now let's check it. The TD coolest span is 2. Okay, guys, it's work, but it's not good. Why? I don't know. For example, we can use it like this. Ali, Ovi, and we have 3 last name. Okay, you can use it like this. This is a way. The next attribute we have for table is row span. I love this because this is so good. For example, think you want to show 2 number of a person to our client. How? I write tr, th, and name tab, and td here. This is an horizontal table, and the name is Avi. And again, I duplicate this thtr and make this row is phone, the phone number, and td, for example, 555555555. And again, I write a tr, but it's just table data. And again, I wrote a new number. I'm gonna show you the result. Oh, guys, I didn't use the attribute. Our row span 2. Can you see? The name is Avi. Avi has 2 phone number, and I can show it to my client like this. For example, if you want to show to change your table width, we can use it with CSS, but our lesson is not about CSS, and we should talk about this in the future. But now I wanna show you the easy way, but it is not a standard. I'm gonna add this 100%. This is our table. This is so good. Okay, guys, I think the table lesson is finished, and we have nothing to say to you. Just we have cool group, but it's not useful for this session. I will show you and teach you in the future, because we should to add a style in call group, but you don't know about the styles in CSS and HTML. For this, I ignore this part, and I wish the best for you. If you have a question, ask in comments. I will answer you as I soon. Goodbye, guys.